This is how you set out and fix down floor tiles. Clear the floor off, mark out the centre of the room so you can work out where the tiles are going. It's always wise to do a dry run first, mix up your adhesive, use a paddle and a power drill. Don't forget your PPE. Start to spread the tile adhesive across the floor with the flat end of the trowel and then comb it through with the serrated edge. Lay your first tile down, making sure it's in the centre of your line and check that it's level. Place your levelling system clips underneath the first tile and bed your second in place. Push a wedge through the levelling clip, squeeze this together with the application tool. Once you've got a number of tiles down, keep checking it with your spirit level across the large area, making sure you've got it as flat as possible. Once the tile adhesive is dry, you can remove the base clips. Mix up some grout and spread this in using a grout and float. Buff this up, leave to dry, and then you can seal. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.